What's good, chat? Who's here in the building? I hope you guys can hear me. Naririnig nyo ba ako, chat? Let me know if you can hear me. Wala akong indication na naririnig nyo ako or yeah. Who's here? We have Eyes Too Big, Rain Aziel, Rosella Blanca, Daily MZ. Good evening, guys. It is Friday today. Hopefully, you know, we're gonna have an amazing Friday. So, chat. Today's NFP, we have a movement to the downside from earlier during the news release of the market. Right now, we're trading to the downside. If I'm being honest, chat, mas prefer ko that we trade into this new week opening gap. I'm not sure if we're gonna have this, which is just 1.2% away. So if this happen, we are gonna be trading in this market for about 2%. No, low-hanging fruit objective for me would be this 50% down here, and then New York liquidity from March 28 or May 28. So overall, bearish ako in this market. I'm just not sure if we're going to have a trade higher first at the market open or we're gonna trade to the downside. But from what it looks like, we're not gonna have a much retracement anymore once we open. But yeah, we'll see. You know, very interested in this level here. Although there's always the potential that we trade back into this NFP high, which is above here. If you're gonna ask me which way I want the market to go, mas gusto ko siya mag-trade to the downside. And to be honest, I don't want to see it like retrace in this level. I feel like if we retrace into this level, it's likely that we're gonna inverse this level and we're gonna trade into this NFP high. What happened earlier today is we have this dump, taking out this Asia and London low, and then we traded back into this inversion FBG into the 5 minutes time frame, and we essentially moved lower. Usually pag NFP, I'd like to use the initial move as fake out, especially when we have a news at 10 o'clock. But in this case, we do not have a news at 10 o'clock. So yeah, I need to see what the market open is going to do. Because yeah, it is essential for me para magkaroon ng much greater bias. We can see here as well that we left this Asian high and London high. So meron tayong Asia high here and London high, so we have relatively equal high. The only issue about targeting this upside is the fact that we did not have a we don't have a POI here. In my opinion, we don't have any key levels in this area that would make it say na we're gonna go higher. And for the bearish argument, although we have this equal highs, in the 4-hour, we did trade into this inefficiency for one time. We top it and trade lower. So a lot of the time when we see a equal high like this, those are the times that I'm anticipating that this equal highs will remain untouched. You know, they're not going to be act as drawn liquidity because we took a short-term liquidity here. Especially it's Friday today. I feel like if we trade into this level today, this will be the trade, right? It's no longer to the downside. So in my opinion, a trade back into this upper portion here would invalidate the idea of going lower. So far, I still like the downside. We still have this wick low that we haven't touched on the downside in here. So you can see this is from Sunday of May 24. We haven't revisited this in a while. It's been 2 weeks. This NWOG has not been filled yet. So ultimately, if you're gone to my head, I would like to see this market trade into this level. So yun yung pinaka-main objective ko. As far as if it's gonna happen today or Monday, I'm not really sure because again, this is like 370 points away, 1.22%. If this is gonna happen, that would indicate that the Nasdaq is going to dump today for about 3% plus, which we don't see often, right? So as you can see, we open up in here, and so far we are down 1.5%. And if we trade onto the downside, it would make the NQ down to 3 something. So yeah, overall bearish ako in this market, and I'm hoping it would be a good day for me personally. I haven't had a great trade on my funded account with futures so far ever since I started them this week. I think I'm still in drawdown. Yeah, still draw down on $200 on some of my funded accounts. But with CFD side, I'm doing pretty well this week. Killed it. In fact, up ako ng 11k with my FTMO funded account. Currently, nasa trade ako. May 11k ako floating profit at the moment. Kaso nasa drawdown pa to. If wala ako sa drawdown, I would definitely take this profit now. Currently nasa drawdown ang account ko na to, which is why. Plus, I have a good target anyway, so I'm just gonna take this risk and let it play out today. Good evening, Sun Trade. Good evening, guys. Good evening. We need that volatility at market open. Tingnan natin si ES. As far as the ES is concerned, we have this gap as well, new week opening gap. Baka short stream ako today, guys. I have to go to the gym. I haven't been in the gym. Let's see. Not very clean on this 5-minute right now. Not very clean. Low volume currently. We need that volume to come on and pick up. Testing 15 minutes FVG gold. I'm not looking at gold. I'm focused on indices right now. For you, what's better, CFD or futures? They have both pros and cons. If you never got a payout, I would suggest you go for CFD. It's a lot easier to get a payout with CFD, but it's a bit harder to get funded. But it will help you if you're not consistent because it is a static drawdown. For you to trade futures successfully, you need to be very consistent and able to fight the trailing drawdown. Wow, new highs, baby. Wow. This is ripping right now. Yung position ko on AUD is ripping. Very nice, very nice. I'm very happy with this. Still going. Hey, Kagi. Sinahakop ang pucha. The fuck is this, bro? The chat. I'm currently up 11k. Haba. You know what? This is crazy. This is the position I have. Still going. Ito yung TP ko sa taas. On 11k for now. 12. Hopefully it goes straight up. Been holding that since Wednesday nung sinabi ko sa inyo. Wednesday stream. Took 2 tries to get that trade. Oh, let's see. Market is very slow right here. Not much volatility going on. Challenging trailing drawdown, especially intraday. Yeah, intraday, don't go for it if you're a beginner. I never suggested intraday if you're a beginner. It's more for advanced trader trailing intraday accounts. Good luck sa atin, Lord. Kahit magkaiba tayo ng trade. Yep. Good luck. Very slow at the moment. Slow grind to the downside. I'm very interested to see what's gonna happen at market open. Like I said, low hanging fruit would be this equilibrium, and then we have the daily bullish FBG, and this low from Thursday low May 28th. So these are the drawn liquidity. Yeah, ideally I want to see us trade lower. Paano intraday? I have a full video. Just watch my YouTube channel. You can watch it. Full video. It's like 40 minutes. You've been here for a while, Rain. You should know it already by now. I mean, you should already know it by now, yung intraday account, right? I've been trading here for a while, and you've been watching for a while. Di mo pa sure? Scalping ka, boss? Most of the time, 1 minute. 1 minute, chat. Hit the thumbs up, chat. We're gonna do a giveaway later on. Hopefully, we get that 50 likes. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit the thumbs up, chat. Would appreciate it if you do that. Thumbs up button, chat. Let's see. Why not? Ano mare-recommend mo na books about trading? Trading in the zone. Trading in the zone, best losers win. Yeah, those are the two. Solid two. Trading in the zone, best loser win, and then the last one would be mental game of trading. Nagtitrail siya sa highest price na nakuha mo kahit unrealized profit pa siya. Yeah, that was the trailing drawdown. Naniniwala ka, boss, papaldo tayo sa prop. $80 na lang need ko. 2K account. Wow. May 2K account? What prop firm offer 2K account? That's insane. You might as well go for 5, no? I feel like 2K account is not worth to trade with. At least go for 50K. 5K, not 2K. Why not 5? Yeah, just go for 5K. Let's see, chat. We have 4 more minutes left. 4 more minutes left. Four more minutes left, chat. What are the chances that we're not gonna trade above here anymore? Very interesting. This would act as breakaway and just trade lower. It is a possibility. Maybe if we get a 1 minute FBG, I might take it, you know? If we get a 1 minute for value gap here, I might take that trade. Let's say meron tayong 1 minute FBG. Baka iti-take ko to chat. Who knows? We're gonna find out. I want to see us like trade into 29940. 29940. Very slow grind right now. Market is waiting for open. Market is waiting for opening, chat. Let's see. Let's go. All right. 3 more minutes. Looks like we're not gonna have a 1 minute FVG. Oh, big push. Big push right there. Big push. Let's see, chat. Gonna be interesting. So far, 1 minute left. 1 minute left, chat. Market is gonna open. Ugh. 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 YM right now is pushing to upside. I feel like YM is gonna trade into 52K today. YM might trade into 52K today. We're at 51,700 already. YM has been dominating this week, so I'm not gonna be surprised if we trade higher on the YM. Let's see. I feel like YMPOI would be this area right here. This would be a good area to find alongs. Let's see, chat. 6 seconds. 6 seconds, chat. 4. All right. Need to focus on. Good luck. Market is open. We are dumping currently. And then you see that push. We swap to the downside and quick push. So let's see. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Right, there you go. We're pushing sa downside along with the ES. I want to see us trade into this 29941. At dito, gusto ko siya mag-trade 29940 on the NQ. Wow, my position on GBP, man. It's getting very, very close. Getting very, very close. Stress-free trade. Hindi ko pinakialaman to. Oh, there you go. What a push. What a push right now on the NQ. What a push on the NQ right now. It sweeps lower, push higher. Traded into a 5-minute key level. NQ is absolutely ripping right now. Ripping on the upside right now. Okay. Trading siya sa BPR. Bearish BPR right now. In here. This is the BPR we have. $100 points, not bad on the NQ side. It seems like NQ is a stronger asset today. NQ seems a very strong asset today, chat. Unbelievable. All right, first presented for value gap right now on the NQ. We got the first presented FVG, chat. First presented FVG on the upside. I love this. I would treat this as manipulation. The only concern here is if I look for short here, we might trade into NFP high. But so far, I still like this key level on the downside. So if we do invert this, that is going to be a good news. But yeah, let's see. Quadrant. We're trading at the lowest portion of this 930 FVG right now. Lowest portion of 930 FVG, and we just ripped to the downside again. 930 inversion or 930 FVG being invalidated. At least for now, chat. At least for now. All right, inversion right now on the side of NQ. We just inverted this gap right now. And let's see. Very strong. Very strong sa downside so far. Very volatile, chat. Very volatile, not gonna lie. All right, we have this 1 minute FVG here, micro FVG. Oh wow, it just dumped, chat. Wow. It dumped, bro. Just waiting, waiting, and waiting. Oh my god. I'm about to TP hit on my GBP. Kapit na matipi yung ano ko finally. I've been in this trade, chat, for 3 days now. Crazy. The GBP AUD. All right, let's see how can I engage in here. Definitely don't want the way we're moving because these wicks are not the best, right? I want to see us retrace and then dump. I don't want to see this, right? Wicks getting bought up, market getting bought up. We could trade into this drawn liquidity for sure. It can trade without me. Not really willing to short in here. In this inversion, I feel like this is aggressive. We're creating this trend liquidity right now, chat. Very stiff trend liquidity. Okay lang kahit mapag-iwanan ako kung magtutuloy-tuloy ito sa downside. Grabe. So, siya mag-trade dito, chat. I'm even willing to trade the reversal if we trade in here. Bagal, ang bagal, chat, oh. From here, very slow grind yung price action. Sobrang slow grind right now. Papunta sa draw. Ako model here. Not really willing to take this. It's to me, this is aggressive. Aggressive short. I'd rather take the retest. Mas gugustuhin ko yung retest of this. Kasi play ko yung short rather than just pure inversion. Alright, malapit na ma-hit yung liquidity na gusto ko. Which is here yung, not really a liquidity, but POI, which is 50% ng candle wick na to. From here, if I can see a good reversal level, I might take it. Trade tayo, BPR, tas 1 minute inversion. This is not really a model for me. Aggressive tong ano na to. Tong entry na to. Very, very, very aggressive downside right now. And the chat, na yun draw. Very aggressive, wow. Lapit na ma-TP, nice. Sabi na medyo yung target ko. Let's go, bro. It's just annoying na I have the correct bias today of downside pero wala akong model here. Walang retracement. I don't like to be shorting. This was the best retracement it give, you know? This is it. From here, wala dito. It's just literally just inversion down here. I also don't like the fact that we did have a lot of this grind move. Pero ang ganda ng manipulation candle na to. This was the capitulation candle, I feel like. Capitulation candle. Wow, it's still going. God, bro, this is insane. Down na tayo so far ng 1.8%. 1.8% so far, chat. ES just took its previous day low. Oh, there we go. Chat, it's almost there. OMG, bro. There you go. It's so close. Finally, bro. Come on, give it to me. Come on, bro. Give it to me, my man. Give it to me, my man. Very nice trade. Very, very nice. Very clean, bro. OMG. This is such a clean trade, guys. Very, very clean trade. There you go, chat. 14 freaking bands, chat. 14K. I'm just gonna close this. I'm just gonna close this, chat. I'm not gonna be I'm not going to be very, very greedy on this one. I'm gonna take my 2K payout to end the week, you know. Let's see. Give it a minute, maybe. Very, very close, chat. Right here. 14K. 14K trade right here, baby. There is the trade, chat. There is the freaking trade. Chat, it's coming, chat. It's gonna go. Keep it up. There we go. Like, what did I say, chat? What did I say? Freaking 14K. Oh my god. What a best day, chat. What a best day. What a day, chat. What a day. OMG, bro. 14K. I've been holding this trade since freaking Wednesday. Wow. Wow, chat. That was such a solid trade. Since Wednesday. Oh my god, that was insane, bro. Ito yun, this was the trade right here. Nakalong ako since Wednesday here. Down here. Target ko. Kinda crazy, bro. Kinda crazy. Di tuloy ako nakafocus sa indices. De, pero, yeah, it was a very good trade. Oh my God. It's been grabe yung drawdown ko dito. I've been in drawdown since 21st of May. I think. Hindi. Since May 8th. Tingnan nyo yung ano ko, nag-double bottom, chat. Look at my PNL calendar. Double bottom. On that trade. On one trade alone. I made it all back, baby. Look. Ito yung trade na yun. If you don't believe me, here it is. I've been doing very well on my CFD account. I've been trading less. And I've been doing much better. Look. This week, 14K. Today, 6K yesterday. 4K. So, yeah, 20K. 20K this week on my one account. 20K on one account. Very nice. Grabe. I hope I don't get banned. Because I know they might say they might say that I am, what do you call this? One-sided betting. Claim ko na tong reward ko dito. Claim reward, just 2K. 0.5%. There you go. Profit claim. Bye-bye. Now let's get back to the drawing board. No more FTMO. Back to futures, baby. Alright, chat. What did we have so far? So we did retrace, no? We did retrace into this BPR, and the only model that would work right there would be this. And also, this could work as well, but I feel like it's already at a discount level given na malapit na siya sa draw. Right? You could take 1:1 here for sure. But yeah, it went even further lower on this 1 minute IOFED. Now we're trading back into daily bullish FVG. ES just traded into its NWOG. We still have NWOG sa downside, by the way. 29676. 29676. Live yan? Do or die trade yun? Not really. Baka sabihin over leverage. No, I never risk 1%, more than 1%, chat. Never risk 1%. Duda pa ako sa prop firm kaya mababa pa. Di ako nagbabasa ng mga chat nyo kanina, sorry. Di ako nag-over leverage, but they could get me with one-sided betting. Yun yung hindi masyado kang focus sa isang direction, hindi ka nag-short, hindi ka naglo-long. Kumbaga pag sa isang asset, puro ka long, puro ka short. And I've been trading the YM for a while. Puro ako long. Hindi ako nag-short kasi overly biased ako sa upside. Pero hopefully, you know, I don't get flagged. Feeling mo 10 a.m. reversal? Could be, could be. We'll see. We still have that NFP high, but I feel like it's too high. NFP high above here. I haven't gotten... It's sad, really. I'm still sad, though. Like, we moved 250 points, and I have not been able to entry here. I feel like I'm such a dog for not being able to... Yeah, I'm such an ass for not being able to engage in here. That was the manipulation, right? Manipulation, and then we drop down. A bit sad, but it is what it is. We have to wait. We have to wait. Malapit nang mag 10 o'clock, chat. Hintay ako ng time frame alignment. Lapit na mag 10. Typically, I like to avoid this. Very weak. Right now, grabe. Ito, potentially. Sobrang lapit na niya, chat, sa NWAG this week. 178 points away. Grabe, oh, that alone is of 50 points. Super crazy. Yeah. Grabe. Solid dump. Dang, 300 points, chat. Crazy. 300 points now. Just wow, bro. This is so bearish today. This is freaking insane. Such a bearish day. 1 minute FVGs are printing. You just have to trust them that they will work, you know? Solid, oh. 1 here, 2 here. Those are 2 already. Freaking crazy. Freaking crazy, PA. Out of all the days we had so far, this is the most A+ day. Given na hindi ako nakapag-entry here, I feel like I could have done better here and here. But the thing is, I was so focused on my other position, so I felt like it's reasonable that I could have missed this. But yeah, today is A+ day, definitely. Like out of all the days, I feel like buong week, this week is an A+ during AM session. AM A+ volatility, but in terms of A+ setup, this week was the best out of all. Best of the best, I feel like, this NFP day. Grabe, oh, lapit na niya sa drawn liquidity, chat. This is insane. Yeah, grabe. Solid. Solid day today. Solid day, definitely. Not gonna FOMO though. I'm gonna adapt, you know? I'm gonna wait till it makes sense for me to join. Yung mga retracement na 100 points in this condition are very normal. So even along in here, you can absolutely make money sa ganito ka volatile na market. Solid no chat, solid. Grabe. These are the days that you can make a lot if marunong ka mag-hold, marunong ka mag-trail. Yeah, you'll make a lot in these conditions. Five M execution mo, boss Ron. Di ako nag-execute today. Don't have any execution today, chat. Just so you know. Sa NQ so far. Kanina London meron ako, but it's just an eval. But during AM session today, wala pa. Every market is bleeding, including crypto. Like Bitcoin is at 60K, Ethereum at 1.6K. Crazy. Crazy for sure, chat. Crazy. Gusto kong makitang bumalik sa 80-80. Itong market na to. I wanna see it trade back into 80s. Sa daily FVG high. I believe this is daily FVG high. Yep. Gusto ko siya makita mag-trade back into 80s. Nag-close pa below yung 4 hours sa swing low. Yeah, we took the Thursday low of May 28 already. So this in itself is an SMT for now on the bullish side. Just waiting, chat. Waiting. Lapit na oh. 29676. Create tayo ng 5 minutes FVG here. Bearish one. Pupunta kaya siya, chat? Do you guys think magte-trade to sa previous week low? Because this would be crazy, candle, if magte-trade to sa previous week low. Yes, it's almost inevitable. Yes, it's almost inevitable to trade lower. 7,505 sa previous week low niya. It will probably. Ganda ng IFAD ng NQ, nabasag niya yung 1 HOB. Yeah, that was 943 candle was amazing to short from. Yung dito sa 934 hindi pa ako sa inversion. But yung 943, yeah, maganda yung IOFED niya. True. Sakit sa mata. But either way, I'm gonna be so happy this week. I got my FDO account back to initial balance. Sana lang di ako magka-issue sa payout. F it pag nagka-issue ako. Five minutes FVG right now. Ideally, I want to see us trade into this high sa 80-80. Ito yung first retracement sa 5 minutes. Poquito. You can retrace a 50%, could be. Equal low, no? Si ES nag-create ng equal low right now. Stronger ES so far than NQ, from what I can tell. 5 minutes. Yep, we just inverted this 5 minutes. IFVG right now in this level. We'll see what will happen here on the ES. It is a 5 minutes FVG niya here. We got the ES trading into a 5 minute key level. If NQ give up from this area, we can rotate back down. Initially, naghahanap ako ng longs from this bullish FVG, but I did not like the way we're trading from it. So ultimately, nag-decide akong hindi ko i-take. We got this IFVG, but in my opinion, this IFVG is not much that relevant unless unless mag-drop yung ES from here. The only thing about the upside right now is the SMT at the Thursday, May 28 low. That's the only thing that would make me say, hey, we're gonna trade higher. This one traded into an hourly FVG. Displays higher. The 2022 model to kaya ano. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Pag nag-close back inside this NWAG itong ES, we're likely gonna rotate back down. Sa NWAG, dito sa NWAG high niya dito. Though wala pang nag-trade sa premium area since the sell-off. Di pa nag-trade ang market sa premium area. Since this sell-off. Like I said, if this ES trade from this 5-minute, hindi ganun ka-relevant itong IFBG na to. Dapat yung ES maano niya rin to eh. Oh, it just like that. One day at a time, chat. One day at a time. Hit the thumbs up, chat. Hit the like button, chat. Appreciate you guys. Go ahead and hit that like button. Like the stream. Very good price action today. Very, very amazing PA chat. Super amazing. Nothing I can complain. Ooh. Lapit na mag-trade sa premium itong ES. Yup. Set na yung alert ko dito. Patayin ko yung ilaw. Saan na mata ko? Feeling ko kailangan ko na magsalamin. Bukod sa trading, how do you diversify your money? Investing, crypto, I guess. And properties. I just need one good trade, chat. One good trade, and I'm gonna go to the gym. One good trade, I'll be going to the gym, chat. Takas ni ES, siya yung may willingness to trade higher. Kaso nasa premium na siya. Duda ako dito dito sa previous week low. Feeling ko hindi ibibigay to today Duda ako dito, chat It's too deep. Parang mas trip ko na to. Nabalikan niya to one more time tapos trade higher. In hindsight, in this run higher, I feel like nung binalikan natin tong inversion high, nagkaroon tayo ng here, when we have this, when we traded back above here, that was the long entry. Kasi hindi binalikan ni ES yung NWOG niya, hindi siya nag-close below I'm looking at ES, if we trade back with a closure inside NWOG, indicator ko yun na magda-drop pa tayo. But the fact that we did not do that, this was the long right here. Tapos target would be 50% ng range and also break even dito siguro. Ngayon, nagtitrade na tayo back above. And we also have this data high, right? NFP high. Anything can happen, bro. Can see a reversal from here because of this SMT sa Thursday of May 8th. So we have 5-minute inversion din dito. Siguro maganda dito 5-minute FBG. Tapos target New York high. In my opinion, this could happen. Kung magkaroon ng bullish gap here, we can trade sa New York high. Let's see kung mangyayari to. Wait lang tayo, waitings. Be patient, chat. Be patient. Inverted this 5 already. Though nagtitrade pa rin tayo sa 15-minute bearish, I believe. Maybe it's a bait today. It's manipulating upside. Do you believe so? Maybe. Maybe we are. Maybe we aren't. Maybe this is the 5-minute long. I don't know. Anything can happen. Oh. What does this look like? Coach, bakit every 5 seconds nag-update yung candle ng trading view ko? Baka nasa 5 seconds chart ka. Wala ka sa 5 minutes. Baka nasa 5 seconds chart ka. It is why. Oh, wow. Inverted this back down. It's crazy now on the ES. Naging bearish ulit ang ES. Naging bearish ulit ang ES chat. Ito last line of defense to ng NQ sa upside. No, I'm not gonna do this. Sketchy yung closure. Nag-bearish ulit yung ES. Delikado tong longs dito. Yung mga bullish IFVGs, walang kwenta. Sobrang bearish ng market na to. Validated yung mga bullish IFVGs. $10:30 na yan, chat. It's about to be 3:30. Oh. Meron sa 1H double low. Which one? Is it the NQ or kasi sa NQ? Kaso nag-take out tayo ng Thursday low eh. Yun yung iniisip ko. We took out a Thursday low. Habang ang ES hindi. So that in itself is a SMT. For me. In my opinion, we should not be trading above here anymore. If nag-trade tayo above dito, like above this, closure above this, I would be fully longs in here. I would be fully longs in here, chat, if mag-trade tayo above this 1 minute level sa FVG na to. This should act as bearish for value gap and drop lower. Pag nag-close tayo dito, titreat ko to as CISD. Closure above here, CISD to sa upside in my opinion. Even though previous week low ang pinaka main target, I feel like afternoon niya ibibigay to, not during the AM session. I have a feeling na afternoon ibibigay tong level na to. Pag itong previous week low na hit, tapos hindi ako nakapag-engage, tapos na ang AM session ko. I'm not gonna trade the AM anymore. I-GM ko na lang kaysa i-force ko yung trade. Kasi at this point, it's very low at the discount level. Yung mga levels na gusto kong ma-hit ng pre-market are already hit. So there's no reason for me na ipilit pa yung trade, right? So if we did get this previous week low, 29677, it's a sign for me na I missed the trade and I should just accept the fact na I should just move on. I'm thinking here, if bearish pa din ako from this level, where would I enter? Nothing. Wala akong retracement entry na gusto unless mag-take ako ng higher time frame execution. But trading higher time frame here, let's say 5-minute short, medyo magdududa ka kasi na-inverse yung mga levels eh. Unless you're looking at 15 itself. Tapos yung stop loss mo is based on 15 minutes level as well. Then yeah, you can participate. But in terms of 5, ES did give a 5-minute bearish FVG, very clean, right? And also on, meron tayong BPR here. Maybe we could trade into this BPR, tapos drop down into May 28. Yan, something like this, right? It could happen. May 28, tapos mag-trade din siya all the way down sa NWOG fill. But yeah, we'll see. Gonna be interesting either way. It's 10:30. This is usually the time when the market will reverse pretty hard. So kapag ang ES itong ES na to, pag hindi na respect itong BPR na to, this thing is gonna send higher. I tell you, chat. this is gonna get sent higher. If itong BPR ni ES hindi nag-work, it's game over. We have this BPR to watch. I'll be longing NQ if ever. I'm long on NQ here. BPR ni ES, once ito nag-trade above the BPR, it's game over. Hindi ganun kaganda yung closure on my entry on this IFVG, but yeah, let's see if I can start pyramiding in here. ES need to trade above, in my opinion, this BPR. NQ looking strong, looking nice. Break even ko would be above here. I think we did close. Karoon tayo ng closure in here? Ay, hindi tayo. Saan tayo nagkaroon ng closure? Na-fake out ba ako, chat? Did I get fake out? I thought I've seen it close above. So, NQM hindi siya nag-close above, unfortunately. But yeah, if ang ES mag-start ma-invalidate itong BPR na to, I'm gonna go heavy in this trade. It needs to invalidate this. As long as hindi pa na-invalidate tong BPR ni ES, it's not yet safe. Currently in this long chat, I wanna see this gets invalidated. Pwede siyang mag-trade here. One more time. I'm giving it a chance to trade here. Nice. Looking good ang ES right now, chat. If I'm being honest with you, this closure is looking very good. I might start adding in this position maybe. Let's see. At least nag-confirm na yung ES. I'm confident in this trade for now. Try ko yung stop ko here. Kung mag-a-add ako dito. Hindi ako mag-add ng 1 micro. Very, very good so far. We can trade all the way up sa AM session in my opinion. AM high. BE ko dito. BE above here. Target data high. Yeah, true. It could trade sa data high, but the issue with the data high, I feel like it's too far. We even have the Asia and London, to be honest. Asia and London. Reduce na ako ng res here. Gusto ko pang mag-add. Hindi ko lang alam saan ako mag-add. Pero I like to add in this. Gusto ko bang mag-add? Possible to TP1. TP1. Tapos TP2 could be the high or 930 FVG. TP2. Very nice. Two micros lang tong trade na to, chat. TP1 could be here. 1 is to 2 point something. Mag-break even na ako. At this point, I don't want to see it like trade back to my entry. I just hope hindi lang magkaroon ng wick ang NQ. Sometimes ang MNQ magkakaroon siya ng wick tapos yung NQ hindi siya magkakaroon. You know those times na biglang may volatility and then all of a sudden we can see that the NQ will start to have this massive wick. I just hope that won't happen, you know? Really hoping for it. So let's see. Nice wick up here. Maybe 5 minutes bullish FBG, but yeah, let's see. Let's say, if I added here, put my stop below here, this would be like $140 risk, 150. I feel like I can add into this. I'm gonna add into this. So ang risk ko dito $200, no? Mag-add ako if we trade in here, my stop is gonna be at 45 level. I just hope hindi siya magganto, you know? And then trade higher. Kasi this means this is a high resistance condition if this happen. And filled na ako 4 contracts in. Bali ang risk ko dito would be my risk would be in total dito is just $200 risk right now. I added a position. Ayaw na siyang bumalik sa IFBG dito sa level na to. Kasi nagkaroon tayo ng order block here. So, TP1 in here ideally. I'm just gonna let this play out, chat. If, let's say, mas stop out ako, maabot siya dito and then trade higher. It is what it is. It's beyond my control. Nothing I can do about it. But I'm not gonna cry over it, chat. I took the risk and I thought it was worth the risk, essentially. Wanna see this push higher. Damn, bro. Down on a 200. 2 wins, 1 loss na ako. At least you won more. I just hope yung ano mo maganda. May invert pa sana yung incoming 5 minutes. Yeah, true. I agree with you. This is crucial that I hope that this gets inverted. Kasi pag ito na-invert, goodbye na talaga. Goodbye. We're gonna go to the upside. I hope may invert. So far, the way we traded into this is not that good. Right? We did have this bullish wick in this bullish FVG here. But then nag-stall tayo in massive dump. So that's not a good sign. But either way, I'm gonna hold into this and let it play out. Yung ES nag-trade na siya back into the BPR. Look, nasa BPR na si ES. So I hope the NQ won't have a deeper retracement anymore. Sana hindi na niya balikan itong bullish 1 minute FVG. I'm anticipating that this is a breakaway gap for now. The longer we wait, the longer that it's not gonna be good. Either way, hindi ako immediate in drawdown in this trade. It did go in my favor for 1:1 at some point, right? Umabot siya ng 1:2.34. Did not take any profit. Because, yeah, I wanted to pyramid. I wanted to see higher prices. This would be a good risk to reward. Ito yung mga type of trade that would give me like 1K, 700, you know. Ang risk ko dito is only 200. So, I have to get used to it na makaka-experience ako ng losing streak with this model. Pag na-stop out ako, wait ko siyang mag-trade dito and see a reaction. Pag walang reaction sa bullish level na to, then simply mali yung bias ko. I should have not forced the longs. But yeah, it was worth the shot in my opinion. Pag nag-trade siya dito sa bullish FVG and traded higher, I'm gonna re-enter into it. Pero pag hindi, I'm gonna leave this alone and call it a day. Alright, down ako ng currently... Oh shit, what happened? Oh my god, ba't ganun? Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun? Hindi na flatten all ang ibang position. Alright, currently down ako ng 200 sa ibang account, hindi na copy trade unfortunately yung exit kanina. Down ako 242 per account. Yung isa 200, yun yung na early exit tas hindi na copy trade unfortunately. I took much more losses. Alright, mukhang na wick out ako chat. Let's see. We wick out. Let's see how this close. This is very decisive itong 5-minute BPR ni ES. That's kinda annoying. Nag-wick tayo into this level. It's still a valid long for me. Kung magkaroon pa siya ng more reactions upside, I'm gonna take this. Just wanted to see paano mag-close yung ES again. Let's just wait, chat. Let's wait. Sayang, no? Hindi na-invert ito. Solid confirmation sana yan. Wala talaga, chat. O, tingnan nyo to. Very tricky itong BPR ni ES. Apat na FVG is just literally up, down, up, down. Nothing is being respected here. Grabe to. Grabe tong ano na to. Itong BPR na to, apat na to, chat. This is the fourth FVG. Saktong-sakto. That was crazy. Literally up, down the market. Oh, nice rejection here. I love that. I love it, chat. I love it here. Nice rejection. I love it. Meron tayong inside bar sa loob ng 15-minute time frame. I like this, no? I like this whip inside a fair value gap. If we just sub some kind of bullish FVG again, this would be lovely. Tanggalin ko na to. It's not that important for me. Let's see. Pangit lang yung 15 minutes candle kasi nagkaroon tayo ng inside bar. This is not good, right? Itong inside bar na to is a sign of a consolidation inside. Kita nyo ba yan, chat? Inside bar ang tawag dyan. So, sa loob ng 15 minutes wick na to, we never traded above, we never traded below. So, typically, pag nakakaroon ka ng ganyan na action, it's typically a sign of continuous consolidation. Which is rough. Poker chips. Let's see. Not good, not good. Ideally, mag-start siya mag-ano dun eh. Ideally, mag-start siyang mag-push, you know? Oh. Man, what is going on in here? Gusto ko na matapos mag-trade para makapag-gym na ako, chat. Wanna go to the gym, bro. Wanna go to the gym. I just think it will consolidate. No reversal was followed, chat. No freaking reversal. Crazy. Okay, macro time. Ito na naman tayo kay ES eh. Ito na naman ang ang BPR na to na napakalakas. BPR na napakalakas, chat. Crazy. Nasa macro time tayo. Chat, mag-ano kayo dito for the giveaway. React here for the giveaway. Sa Discord, let's do the giveaway. Discord chat, join my Discord for the giveaway. Ito. Here. Choppy as fuck. Pansin ko chat, the less I trade, the better I perform. Ganun yung napansin kong tema sa trading ko lately. The less I trade, the better I perform. Kasi sa CFD, sobrang konti ng trades ko unlike with futures. Bro, this is crazy. Grabe yun, chap. Ano to? Like, is that it? Was that the market? May giveaway, yeah. May giveaway. Dami 39 counting. 100 nga yan eh. Boss, pag napasa mo ba yung eval, may need ka pang bayaran? It depends kung anong account yung bibilin mo. There are account na wala kang need bayaran, may account na may need kang bayaran. This is crazy, chat. No follow-up as not good. Oh, this is hella. Chat 11:05 will do the giveaway. So react kayo sa Discord if you want to join the giveaway. We used to have like 100 here. Gonna do a giveaway. Market is not doing anything right now, chat, unfortunately. Nice wick into a 5-minute level. Oh, let's see. We got this micro SMT on the ES and NQ. May SMT tayo dito. Ito. If we get a good bullish. $11:05 will do the giveaway, chat. Paano kasi mag-transfer ng file sa... Nakalimutan ko paano mag-transfer ng file sa Samsung to iPhone. With Apex you need, but with other platform wala na all-in-one. Actually, there is an account with Apex that doesn't require activation fee as well. TGIF na ata ang labas ng tao. Yeah, possible. Nasa labas na ang mga tao. Could be, could be. Nice reaction from 5. I bet we trade now to the downside here. We got the BPR reacting finally. 5 minutes FVG. We might be due to trade to the downside now. This might be due to this sell side now and also this NOM. Oh, nice SMT as well. Here. SMT here. We got this SMT here. This is a nice SMT. SMT inside a key level. Wala lang entry model dito. You should be trading it on 5 minute. Like something like this would be the play here. This is something you have to be willing to put on the risk here. Pagkatiwalaan mo tong 5 minute key level. Not on 1 minute. Even the 30 seconds, I doubt na nagbigay ito ng entry. Yep. Kailangan mo siyang i-trade based on 5. In order to participate in that, yung key ano mo dapat 5 minutes. Promo lang ba yan or nasa offer po talaga? Merong mga account na no activation fee. You can check them out. Isulat ko na yung mga pangalan nyo. Hindi, sige. 55. I said 05. I'm gonna do 05. The fuck? Ba't di ako makareceive ng file? Ayun. Kailangan kong download tong QR code scanner. Oh, hindi ko ma-share yung files chat. iPhone 2. Crazy, bro. For an Android Power user, click receive and share it. Share it. Selling off now. Oh man, this is rough. Not being able to get the move on this is rough. I think for the most part, kaya ako na-miss to is I was keep looking for reversal when I should just be staying on the downside. You have this 5 minutes here, SMT, breaker, displacement, bearish FVG, NWOG, so resistance. Anyway, I'm gonna do the giveaway. I'll just go to the gym. F this chat. I did good already on I did good already on my CFD. No time for tilt on a Friday. Oh wait. Whiskey Core RJ. All right, we have the following now. Okay, chat. Back race. Here are the people that are joined. Names. We have. Oh, why is it like this? 60 lang dapat to. Control Shift V. Crazy. Bakit ganun? Fresh ko lang. Ano to? Nakaganto siya bigla. Oh man, no way I would. You know what? There are 63 names in the list. Can you please assign a number for each? Yan, ganyan na lang. Number for each. Tapos gagawin ko, lalagay ako ng 1, 2. Go ahead and count those. The previous count appears to have included some extra lines or breaks or duplicates. Okay, we have 59. Tama. So, ang gagawin ko, try kong copy-paste. Does not work. Gagawin ko 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 3, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 50, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Okay. So, we have the names set. Good luck, chat. Hope you guys will win. All right. Let's do this. Start. All right, chat. Good luck, whoever will win this. All right, we have number 24. So who is number 24? 24, we have Kiko. All right. Kiko, you are the winner, my friend. At Kiko. Yeah, congratulations on winning. Send me a DM. I'll send your prize tomorrow. Congratulations. Chat, thank you so much sa mga nagstay in here. Bukas ko isa-send yung prize na nanalo. And yeah, I'm gonna call it this a day. We already hit the sell side right now. I already missed the move essentially. So this was the move after all. I was looking for higher prices. Wait. Personally, red wick for me so far. Currently down 2R on my futures account. Down ako ng 2R so far. Down ako sa funded account. Down ako ng tag 500 per account this week. And yeah, it sucks kasi sobrang ganda ng mga setup, but I'm just reading it incorrectly. So in this case, bearish pa rin yung market and I was looking for bullish momentum. To be fair, it looks like we're gonna trade higher. I don't regret at all yung paghanap ng longs at this level, especially this one. I feel like that's an A+ long. For me, that's a very good long. Pero nung na-invalidate siya ulit, I should have looked for short already. Nung na-invalidate ito, tapos we consolidated here, dapat in-anticipate ko na tong level na to trade lower. Right? Ang mali ko dito is, I forced the reversal higher because I'm thinking it's kept going lower. At some point, it should go higher, which is the wrong thinking. Inano ko to, tinrate ko to as bullish SMT at this level. I was looking to see na magkaroon ulit ng break higher, specifically above this 5-minute, when I should just be looking at this as, you know, as a level to short. Kasi na-invalidate na siya once right? If bullish tong market na to, dapat itong bullish FVG na to mag-hold and trade higher. But nung na-invert natin to, tas nag-trade tayo dito, I should not be anticipating for this to break above again. Dapat naganap na lang ako ng short from here. We did have an SMT here, right? So, at a key time frame, which is macro time, 11 o'clock to 10:10. So, macro time, even if hindi ako nakapag-short here, let's say hindi ko pinagkatiwalaan yung 5. Kasi ideally, ito yung pinaka-the best You short here, you target the low or NWOG low, right? Ito yung pinaka-main draw on liquidity this week. This was the level that I was looking for the rest of the week. Ang problema lang dito was, I was hoping to see na we could trade a bit higher given that we have this NFP high. Usually kasi nati-take out to yung mga news high. But in this case, we never really had that reversal. Right? Never tayo nagkaroon ng reversal. We just opened for a bit, manipulated for 100 points and then dump. Tapos dito, it's given the fact na wala akong model to enter higher. This one was good kasi merong BPR sa ES. But again, mali ko dito was the fact that nung na-invalidate itong bullish idea, I should have shorted again kasi na-invalidate na yung bullish thesis. Therefore, I should not be waiting for market to present a bullish idea again, but instead anticipated lower prices. Nag-consolidate tayo dito. Here, we consolidated here. We had a nice consolidation here. Above here, what? FVG. While taking out stop, we got that 5-minute FVG. Admittedly, medyo mabagal yung price, but at 11 o'clock, we started to dump, as you can see here. So another siguro potential trade here would be this order block. Stop loss above here. But the thing is, I feel like chasing the price here is not worth it. Kasi if you're shorting here, you're expecting the price to trade all the way down dito. Ako kasi hindi ako nagiging greedy sa pinaka-external level. If mag-short ako dito, para maging worth it yung trade, it should like trade all the way down here. Siguro in hindsight, yes, I can say na dapat nag-short ako dito tapos mag-break even na lang ako here kapag nag-trade yung price dito. right? In hindsight, I could have said that. Now, okay, 1 is 2.23 to. Pwede ko pa rin naman take, mag-break even na lang ako. Or mag 1 is to 2 ako, fix, and not target this lowest portion. But yeah, today definitely A+ day. Sobrang ganda ng price. Sobrang ganda ng price action today. It's just me who fell short a lot this week. I'm gonna look to see where I fall short. I feel like a lot of it has to do with hesitation. A lot of it has not executing the good trades and forcing the bad ones, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I think this week I could have gotten away with few profit, but yeah, it's annoying. Down pa rin ako. Down pa rin ako this week ng 2R. Definitely could improve it. I'm trying to go for bigger RR. So lower win rate. I have to accept that na bumababa yung win rate ko as I target bigger RR. Definitely on my CFD, it paid off. Up ako ng 20k. Up ako ng 10R sa CFD ko. Especially yung trade ko with GBP AUD. That was a clutch from earlier. And was able to request 2k payout this week. Because of that. So, somehow, na-compensate yung pagka-red ko sa... Pagka-red ko, no? So, yeah. Overall, happy with my CFD performance. Not very happy with my futures despite having a very, very, very good price action. Sobrang ganda ng price action this week. I'm not gonna lie. I should be doing better. But yeah, gotta review this. I need to improve my game. Especially summer is coming. Like, bro, July is coming. Magkakaroon tayo ng daily consolidation again. It's gonna be a lot harder to find this bigger RR setup. Typically, July and August are not the best months. Let's see, no? Backtest tayo from last year. Last year, we have July 2020. July. September. This is what you're gonna have. Right? In July. Like, look at this, bro. Daily candle, walang daily key level, right? This is our July. July 1st until July 30. Wala kang key level sa daily time frame in this level. I feel like this was the only one. But if you look at this overall, right? Ito lang yung daily bullish FVG. You got this consolidation, pump higher, pump a bit, konting pump sa daily candle, and then you got that consolidation again. Yeah, July is not the best. If titignan mo itong expansion na to, this is just 200 candle. 200 points candle. Buong daily time frame na to, chat, ha? Itong expansion na nangyari, in this 1 day of expansion out of consolidation, this is just 200 points, right? So, typically, July is not the best. It's a very slow month kasi summer sa US. And yeah. Damn, bro, look at this candle. It's insane. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Just insane na. Di ko na-catch ito. Very disappointed. And then, mag-open ka ng social media, everyone is killing it, and everyone is profitable, you know? It sucks, but yeah, it is annoying. Oh man, I wish I could have done better today. Not going to overtrade. I'm not going to be a bitch. So yeah. Thank you, chat. Appreciate ko kayo. I'm gonna call it a day here. I have to go to the gym. Magji-gym ako. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll see you again on Monday for another action. And yeah, what can I say? GG, chat. Appreciate you guys, and peace out. All right, peace out. Peace out, chat. Peace out. Sayonara. Bye-bye.
𝑘𝑒